Those are pictures of President Pranab Mukherjee, who's taking part of the celebrations by flagging of the Run for Unity in the Rashtrapati Bhavan forecourt. Residents, staff of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President's bodyguard, the army guards and the Delhi police are all going to be participating in this run. This was announced by in a Rashtrapati release yesterday, and we understand the President Pranab Mukherjee is also going to be taking part in those celebrations. Atir, if you're still with us, we're getting in pictures from inside the Rashtrapati Bhavan forecourt where a separate Run for Unity is also taking place.
Yes, that's right. You see, this event is taking place simultaneously all over the country, of course at the Rashtrapati Bhavan and then, capitals of all the states. This event is going to take place. So a message has been sent by the center that this has to be, this has to be done in all the states, and that's what is happening. Also some leaders are, sort of doing their bit from the states.
We also have Kamalji joining us live. She's at Rajpath. Kamalji, describe to us really the mood of the people around you. We can see the energy in these pictures that we are getting in.
Well, definitely a lot of enthusiasm out here among students, and remember 10,000 paramilitary personnel as well as students from various schools have participated. Let's just have a word with them. Great enthusiasm amongst the people, amongst students. What does Run for Unity mean for you?
Actually, Run for Unity is like, as Modi sir has also told, that there should be unity among the, the states, and he's told that how after independence the states are just, split up into different provinces and all.
Okay, also tell us, Run for Unity की तो बात हो रही है, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के बारे में क्या जानते हैं?
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का बर्थडे 31 अक्टूबर 1875 को हुआ. उन्होंने अपना शिक्षा प्रारंभ गुजरात से की और वो आत्मनिर्भर रहे हर एक चीज में.
This has not happened every other year. This is a special year in that sense. How much have you really studied? This is a generation where obviously there is information which is flowing very quickly, where there's social network sites like Facebook, Twitter. So how much is it really talked about in your generation, in your social network sites?
This is the thing which Modi is famous for. He is celebrating the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The difference we can see in every PM, he is very different. So you can see the difference in Mumbai,
obviously you can see that difference, but if we try and come back to the girls again, do tell us, do you see a different view? Do you see that Narendra Modi is talking about different leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Do you also know this is the death anniversary of Indira Gandhi?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously I know that, and Modi sir is actually trying to bring a change in this country, and we can see that change.
Let's talk to other students. What do you really have to really take about this entire Run for Unity and about having events like these?
I am very excited for Run for Unity. I am very excited to run in the unity.
Okay, let's try and get in some other words. आप ये बताइए कितना आप लोगों को पढ़ाया जाता है स्कूल में? आपको लगता है कि ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है कि सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल और बाकी जो लीडर्स हैं उनके बारे में होना चाहिए?
वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने काफी सारे आंदोलन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जिनके काफी सारे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स रहे थे, और जो सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन में गांधी जी का साथ इन्होंने दिया था. स्कूलों में बहुत कम नॉलेज दी जाती है बच्चों को इस बारे में.
So you really have a look. Most of these students really don't know the specifics of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, but they are very enthusiastic as far as the run is concerned. They participated. They got to see firsthand how the Prime Minister is, what his speech was like. This is a sort of inspiration for all these youngsters. But obviously, if you talk about specifics, most of these girl students that we really spoke to didn't know too much about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Kamalji, some of them, however, did do their homework. At least one of the earlier students who you spoke to appeared to have known a lot about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and that is perhaps what the government is trying to do, isn't it? Yesterday, we saw Smriti Irani, the HRD minister, meeting with representatives of educational institutes that are associated with the RSS and the ABVP, seeking a lot of structural changes in the Indian syllabus.
Well, definitely. So, a lot of brownie points to students who had really read up. As a matter of fact, these are the sort of brochures which were distributed, which talks about the Iron Man, and obviously a lot of students did read up here. They are obviously enthusiastic about this entire event. They're getting to know. आप ये बताइए, आप लोगों को सिलेबस में कितना बताया गया है? आप लोग, कई लोग काफी कुछ जानते हैं. कितना आप लोग आगे उत्साह रखते हैं कि आपको पता होना चाहिए इसके बारे में?
चेहरे अलग अलग हैं, मुस्कान
पता तो काफी कुछ होना चाहिए. आज की जनरेशन है, पुराने सब कुछ रीति रिवाज एंड सब कुछ जो हमारे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल थे, इनको लोह पुरुष माना जाता है. पर आज की जनरेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली आई डोंट थिंक सो कि इसकी ज्यादा वैल्यू रह चुकी है. पुराने सब कुछ बुला दिया जा रहा है. ऐतिहासिक.
आपको लगता है कि इससे पहले कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि नेहरू गांधी फैमिली पे ही कंसंट्रेशन हुआ है, बाकी आपने लीडर्स के बारे में पढ़ा है?
यस मैम, ऐसा होता है. काफी बार नेहरू जी के बारे में ही पता चलता है, चाचा नेहरू जो है.
Obviously, there is a mixed view amongst the students. They're too really young to understand. But the fact remains that these are the students who are obviously going to be future generation leaders. These are the students who would be becoming the citizens. So in that sense, it's very important that they know about the history, and that is what the Prime Minister Narendra Modi also talked about, that the nations who forget history don't become part of that history. So important takeaway for the students from here. But at this point of time, many youngsters who walked away were very, very enthusiastic about the people who were coming in. They were cheering very loudly for Narendra Modi when he was making that particular speech. Very quickly we go back and ask them. आप ये बताइए, जब नरेंद्र मोदी स्पीच दे रहे थे, क्या क्या आप लोगों ने सुना? क्या टेक अवे है? आप क्या मानते हैं कि आप घर में क्या सीख लेके जाएंगे?
मैम, हम ये सीख लेके जाएंगे कि हमें एकता बनाए रखनी चाहिए. हमें जैसे अभी बोटल्स के बारे में बोला गया है, हमें यहाँ पे कूड़ादान नहीं फैलाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अब हम एक देश में रहते हैं. अगर हम यहीं पर कूड़ा फैलाएंगे तो पूरा देश में गंदगी होगी.
तो आपके हाथों में बॉटल्स देख सकती हूँ, मोबाइल और बॉटल दोनों ही है इनके पास. आप क्या टेक अवे लेके जाएंगे, क्या सीख कर जाएंगे?
एकता की भावना, अखंडता और एकजुटता, ये मोदी जी का नारा और हमारा नारा भी है. मैं एक छोटी सी पोयम सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के लिए डेडिकेट करना चाहूंगी. छोटे छोटे सवालों के जवाब भी हम ना ढूंढ पाए, पटेल जैसे नेता हम कहां से लाएं.
So obviously you can hear, as I mentioned to you earlier, there is this enthusiasm. This entire Rajpath ground was chock-a-block, so much that we could barely see India Gate from there. The only thing we could see is the bobbing of the heads, and that is why we know the participation was very massive. This is something which is going to be happening every year, and not just in Delhi. The message has been taken across to different constituencies, to different states. So this is a larger message. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been inspired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and now he's becoming an inspiration to others. But obviously there has been a talk about how the Gandhi family and the Congress are very miffed about this entire sidelining of the Gandhi family. But the fact remains that many other people who are defending, including leaders like Vijay Goyal, whom we spoke to, said, for a long time, for more than 50 years, there was only discussion about Nehru and Gandhi family, and that is what Venkaiah Naidu also reiterated on the stage. Now is the time that the other leaders, especially leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who were an important part in the independence movement, who were the right hand man as far as Mr. Gandhi was concerned. This is what the larger feeling right here is. But at this point of time, a lot of inspired kids now going home.
Well, the Run for Unity, remember, has been organized along with the Sports Authority of India. We saw a lot of the sports persons also assembled, taking the pledge, repeating after Narendra Modi. Among them were boxers Vijender Singh. Atir Khan spoke to some of those sports persons. Let's listen in.
A number of eminent sports personalities have gathered here for Run for Unity. We have with us Shweta Chaudhary. Let's have a word with her. Shweta, how are you looking forward to this run?
I think it's a very good step taken by our PM today. I mean, it's going to bring all of us together it's like let's be unite again. Shri Vallabhbhai Patel ji had taken initiative earlier also to bring our whole country together. So I think it's a very good step. It's been taken now.
A lot of sports personalities have gathered here with you, so it's a wonderful feeling, isn't it? Early in the morning, going for a run.
definitely, and I think it will also encourage other people also to come together and run for this event.
We have with us eminent sports personality in the field of archery, gold medalist. We have with us Abhishek. Let's have a word. You've gathered here. It's a wonderful feeling. You know, a number of sports personalities have gathered here, and you know, there is a huge gathering here, which have come here for the big event.
नो डाउट काफ़ी अच्छा और काफ़ी बढ़िया इवेंट हो रहा है, ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है और सारे स्पोर्ट्समैन टॉप के हम यहाँ पे हैं और मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं. जो इतना बढ़िया काम चल रहा है, जो एक भारत को नई पहचान मिल रही है, उसके लिए हम सब उसमें पार्ट ले पा रहे हैं. तो एक बहुत ही बड़ा ऑनर की बात है और हम सब पूरे अच्छे से सपोर्ट करना चाहेंगे इस चीज़ को.
आपका क्या मानना है इस पहल के बारे में, जो प्रधानमंत्री की पहल है, सबको साथ में जुटाना और फिर ये रन करना, कैसा आइडिया लगा आपको?
ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी है. इससे काफ़ी बढ़ावा मिलेगा. जो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सफाई को लेकर अभियान चलाया है वो बहुत अच्छा है. अगर दूसरे देशों को देखें तो हम सफाई के मामले में बहुत पीछे हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले कुछ साल में हम भी शायद उसी दौड़ में शामिल होंगे और अपना भारत भी एकदम स्वस्थ भारत होगा.
Right, those were some of the eminent sports personalities speaking with Atir Khan on their thoughts on Run for Unity. Aditi, what really do you make of the event? You've heard all the reactions. Kamaljeet spoke to a lot of the students there. What do you make of it?
Well, it's nice to see so many students brushing up history and you know, coming to the venue well up on the history of the Indian national movement, which is nice. I would have been so much happier if it had been a run for India's health or for something that is not so clearly partisan. But I mean, that is not the purpose of the run. It's meant for to create a new narrative of history in an era which has been dominated by the Congress party, and therefore icons of the Congress party have become icons for the freedom movement and for India's independence. Modi is making a very, efforts were made in the past also, but I think he is making the first real, like, concentrated effort. It has not yet gone into Hindus are right, Muslims are wrong, that kind of debate. I hope it doesn't degenerate into that and stays as help as a measure of creation of an alternative history.
All right, Aditi, we also have Kamaljeet, who spoke to boxers Vijayender Singh. Let's listen in.
हमारे साथ इस वक्त ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट हैं. आप ये बताइए, रन फॉर यूनिटी में आए हैं, काफी सेलिब्रिटीज आए हैं, आप लोगों का क्या योगदान है इसमें?
जी, आई थिंक हम स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है और हम स्पोर्ट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एक रन है, फिटनेस का मामला है और एक यूनिटी के लिए है. और आज सरदार साहब का एक जन्मदिन है, तो बहुत जो ओकेजन है बहुत स्पेशल है, इसलिए हम इसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. वी आर द लाइक हम एथलीट हैं, सुशील जी भी आए हैं, योगेश्वर भी आए हैं. तो हमारा एक,
आप लोगों की फिटनेस लेवल तो मानी जाती है, मगर ये है रन फॉर यूनिटी. क्या मानते हैं कि कितना जरूरी है ये रन फॉर यूनिटी? कितना सेक्युलर होना इस देश के लिए जरूरी है?
जी, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिकॉज ये रन है, ये यूनिटी के लिए है, ये एकता के लिए है. तो इसलिए मैं मानता हूँ कि ये बहुत जरूरी है. इसको किसी एक राजनीतिक नजरिए नहीं देखना चाहिए. इट्स ऑल अबाउट फिटनेस, इट्स ऑल अबाउट यूनिटी.
जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी है, उन्होंने भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के बारे में बताया. आप लोगों का क्या मानना है, किस डायरेक्शन में हम लोग जा रहे हैं? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का इतने बड़े स्तर पे तो नहीं बनाया गया पहले. आपको लगता है कि जरूरी है एक इतिहास को एक रिस्पेक्ट, जो जितने हिस्टोरियंस हैं उनको भी जरूरी है देना?
बहुत सारी चीजें नई हो रही है अभी. लाइक नई सरकार आई है, नई चीजें हो रही है, नई पहल है, तो अच्छी बात है. जो यूथ है, जो कंट्री है, इस चीज से जुड़ रहा है, तो मैं मानता हूँ इट्स न्यू बिगिनिंग.
एक आखिरी सवाल, आप क्या दौड़ने वाले हैं, क्या दौड़ चुके हैं, कि क्या करने वाले हैं?
मैं अभी दौड़ने वाला हूँ.
आप देख सकते हैं कैसे जो सेलिब्रिटीज हैं वो भी इसमें शिरकत ले रहे हैं, और ये है रन फॉर यूनिटी. कैमरा पर्सन राज.
Well, that was Vijayender Singh also doing his bit to motivate a lot of the people who are running for unity today after having taken the pledge that was administered by Narendra Modi, who spoke in detail about the relationship between Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel. But before we play out that bite, we also have B.S. Bassi, one of our reporters, spoke to him. Let's listen in.
And in the evening, I invite you to join our march past which will be taken around India Gate by Delhi police.
Sir, Run for Unity, this is something which has been done earlier also by the paramilitary and by the police. What is the special meaning this time?
You see, I am seeing a lot of enthusiasm among people, particularly the youth. If you see, they are cheering and they are really enjoying, and everybody seems to be committed now to run for the unity.
Are you going to make that small run or you will be on duty?
Pardon?
Are you going to make a small dash or a run or you will be on duty?
No, I have been running throughout.
Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Well, that was Police Commissioner of Delhi, B.S. Bassi, saying he's been running throughout, considering this has been a pretty tough day for the Delhi police, having really to man the entire event to ensure that all the logistics were in place since yesterday. The security checks, remember, we'd been playing out visuals, the security agencies in Delhi not leaving anything to chance. Narendra Modi also being surrounded by a cordon of his personal security officers, for whom this definitely had got to be a nightmare, considering the sheer number of crowds that are present at this event. As many as 10,000 people, including a lot of school children, are present here. Kamaljeet has been speaking to a lot of them. We'll get one of those reports that she sent us just a few moments ago.
This is the sea of humanity that you see here. These are thousands of paramilitary as well as students out here. This is Run for Unity. It's been flagged off by Narendra Modi, and you can see the enthusiasm out here. Large number of participants. Overwhelming scenario here. We'll talk to students. आप ये बताइए किस लिए आए हैं, कहाँ से आए हैं आप लोग?
हम लोग मैं निजामुद्दीन आईटी
रन फॉर यूनिटी क्या मतलब रखता है आपके लिए?
हमें देश की हर चीजें भागना चाहिए, जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा कि अपने खेलों की उत्साह बढ़ाना चाहिए।
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के बारे में क्या जानते हैं आप लोग? क्या मतलब है उनका?
देश का जो उन्होंने दिया है, जो देश को दिया, उस देश को याद करने के लिए हम उनकी जो मान सम्मान के लिए हम आज यहाँ पर आए हैं। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने भारत को बहुत अच्छी चीजें उनको दिया, जिस चीज को हम उनको कभी भूल नहीं सकते हैं। जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा तब तक सरदार भाई वल्लभ।
We'll try and show you the scenario again. This is the number. You can't even see India Gate from here. There's obviously a slight fog, but the number of people are overwhelming. This is that particular scenario we're showing to you. This is the Rajpath Road, and this is the Run for Unity. With camera person Rajiv, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi. 5 headlines today.
All right, let's also now play out Narendra Modi's speech. Remember, he spoke in detail about the relationship between Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel. We'll play out that bite and slip into a very short break.
सरदार साहब के बिना गांधी भी अधूरे लगते हैं। ये एक अटूट नाता था, ये अटूट जोड़ी थी, जिस दांडी यात्रा ने हिंदुस्तान की आजादी को एक नया मोड़ दिया था। पूरे विश्व को सबसे पहले ताकतवर मैसेज देने का अवसर दांडी यात्रा में से पैदा हुआ था। उस दांडी यात्रा में एक सफल संगठक के रूप में, एक कार्यकर्ता के रूप में सरदार साहब की जो भूमिका थी वो बेजोड़ थी, और महात्मा गांधी ने दांडी यात्रा की पूरी योजना सरदार साहब के हवाले की थी।